Let me show you how to set up your second camera using your phone. It's very straightforward. You need to understand that the test reviewers need to see two recordings. One from the screen of your laptop or computer, and the second one from your camera phone. So by now you should have already scanned the QR code shown on your screen, uploaded your ID and completed your profile. So the next step is setting up this second camera. So your mobile phone should now be recording and your laptop screen should be showing what your mobile phone is recording. What you need to do now is rest your phone against something stable like a cup so that it captures both the screen and the keyboard of your laptop or computer. You have to get the position right when you rest your phone, and it's best to position it horizontally, not vertically. When you find the right position or angle, your computer screen will indicate that it's correct, and then you'll be able to proceed.